Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I have got another unboxing. This one is the second canvas that I purchased through the GMA discount code. They were 50% off, and there was only a few of the Diamond Art Club canvases that they had that you could choose from, but all of them were discounted. I'm wanting to say it was 50% off, so I got two. I already unboxed the first one, which was the Jules and Vern by Micah Jelena, and this one is the second one. And y'all, it's not a Micah Jelena. That's shocking, but it's not. So, what did I get? I got Virus Detected. Whoop, let me flip it around. It's called Virus Detected, and it is by Randal Spangler. And it is a 30, what does that say? A 33 by 20 inch, which is a, what is that? An 84 by 51 centimeter. And it does have an AB. It is round. So, let me turn this back around. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this and see what I got. Well, I don't guess I took and cut that good enough. There we go. And I hope everyone's having a great week. We got some snow here last night, and it's still snowing today, and I think it's supposed to snow all night tonight. So right now I'm thinking we got about 5 inches. So it's pretty when it first starts snowing and when it's on the ground for a few. But after a while, I want it to just go away. And I don't like driving in it. Alright. So stick the box over out of the way. Alright, so in the box, you get the little sticker, and it will show you the title, the person who did it, its dimensions, and you can put this on into your box. I use them in my book. I've got a book that I keep all my details to all my canvases. All right, you get your standard toolkit. Now, these are not new toolkits. I know that Diamond Art Club has switched their toolkits now. So this is just an old toolkit. And I guess since they're doing new toolkits, they're trying to get rid of all of these bags. So that is a ton of bags. Jeez Louise. Okay, so in the standard old toolkit, you get baggies, 2 heart wax, you get your clear boat with the spout, a 4-placer, which these are the good 4-placers because they're the thin white multi-placers, and I like the 4-placer. And then you get a pin and your squishy. Okay, so that comes with the round toolkits. Alright, let's go ahead and get into the canvas. Don't mean to be shaking y'all around. Alright. I've been wanting a Randal Spangler kit for a long time. And I've just not ever got one because, well, let's face it, they keep coming out with new Michelangelinas and I want hers. So I always end up going for hers first. But I could not pass this up. And again, this is this is poured glue, so I can roll it up backwards. Lord, I hope I can get all this in frame. Okay, so with Diamond Art Club, they have their logo up on the top, which is Do What Makes You Sparkle by Diamond Art Club. There is a schematic on the lower right-hand side. And then they also have one on the top left-hand side. And again, I apologize. My desk is just not made to do unboxings. Alright. I'm going to try to get this. Okay. So on the bottom of your canvas, it shows your thumbnail, the name of your canvas, your dimensions, who it's by, and then the Diamond Art Club. It has your social media and your little discount. Then it also has your guarantee over on the bottom right. Okay. So you also get your pamphlet. Each kit comes with this little pamphlet, and it's just your step-by-step instructions. It has your thank you code, tips and tricks, how you do it. So, and then it also comes with the big sticker. And again, it's The Virus Detected by Randal Spangler. It has your start date, your end date, the picture of the canvas. Isn't it cute? And then it'll tell that it's round, the dimensions, and then it has an A-B. And then over here on this side, it has all your colors, your code, and these are individual stickers that you can put on your containers, your baggies, whatever you want to do. And then it shows there are 44 colors. And it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, so 4 ABs. Yeah. Cool. Okay. So, let's go ahead and get into the drills and see what we got. I can see an AB right off the rip. Okay, so we've got one loose in here. I hope y'all can see these. My lighting is not real good. This is kind of late afternoon. Alright, so we will just start off with this strip since it's right here in the front. Got some pink. Oh, well, there's an AB right there. 129. It kind of looks like an off-white, almost a very, 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 very pale yellow. We got some browns. More pink. Let's see. Some blue. Alright. And I know I'm going through this kind of quick. Alright, here's another strip. These are kind of fat. But 3 bags of 321. Ooh, look at that. That's 102. Isn't that pretty? There's 2 bags of 3371. Okay. So, no black. Wow. Alright. Okay, and then there's an AB, which is 141, which is like a white. And let's go through purple. I'm getting all twisted. And then there's the 4th AB, which is a green. That's 134. And there are 2 bags of the 3777. And then 2 bags of 904 and 905. Okay. So we'll set those to the side. And then, of course, like I said, there was that one. Okay, so hopefully y'all can see this canvas. I'm going to try to put it to where, let's see. Alright, so got the dragon with this little mask on. And he's got a bookshelf over here that's got some bottles. Then there's his tail. He's got some books. And he is working on a great big laptop computer. And this is probably a bottle of sanitizer. Oh my God. Sanitizer. Spit it out here in a minute. It says virus detected. A lot of color blocking going to be going on right in here. That's okay. Okay, let's go down and we will see. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll go down and let me see if we can find the ABs. All right. Looks like, let's see. I thought this was going to be color blocking, but it's not. I mean, some is, but not all of it. Alright. Okay, there's some ABs. There's the 4, which is going to outline the mask. And then his mouth is the, I guess that was the black ABs. And his eye, let's see. There's some ABs, the 4s. Looks like the 4s kind of outline him in spots. And then, let's see. There is, in these darker green little spots, there's going to be some of the ABs, the 3 AB, which is 134. And some of, looks like, possibly some of the 2s, the 3s and the 2s. Okay, and let's see. It's hard for me to see from up here. Yeah, there's some 3s in the book. Yeah, all of the books, there's some of the 3 ABs in those. And looks like there are some of the ABs in his little tail. And again, there's ABs, like just kind of outlining. And there's some of the 2s in his belly. And some of the 4s in his little fingers. And there are 4s in the bottle and 2s. And then the black, is that the, yeah, there's the black ABs in the keyboard and along the laptop. And then, let's see. Yeah, and then there's some 3 ABs in the leaves. Up in here. Then the more of the black ABs. So yeah, they're just kind of scattered everywhere, really. There's some 4 AB, 2 ABs. But anyway, we found them. So I'm going to pull you back up. And like I said, hopefully you're getting a pretty decent view of the canvas. It's not a huge canvas. It's just, what is it, wide? It's just a wide canvas. Instead of long, it's wide. So, but yeah, I've been wanting one of his canvases because I think my grandsons would like, you know, with it being dragons and stuff. So I was excited to get this one. And y'all, I think I only give like $30 for it. So the GMA thing, it was a pretty good deal that they had going on. So, okay, well, anyway, this was a quick video. Like I said, I just wanted to jump on here and show everyone an unboxing of them. And if you are new to my channel, I thank you for subscribing and appreciate all the subscribers that I already have. And I appreciate y'all. And I don't know, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget about my Etsy shop, Just Minder Business. And I hope everybody has a great rest of the day and a rest of their week. And until my next video, y'all, I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.